Welcome in. We'll be starting in a bit. Welcome in. What's up, BB? Welcome in. Good luck tonight. All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to 824 Breaks. Thank you for joining tonight. Appreciate it. Got a baseball break 310 tonight. Mix up some 2022 products. 7 items tonight. We have 3 packs, 3 blasters, and 1 mega box tonight. Let's go over our products here. All right. We have a solo pack of Mosaic. 15 cards in here. 3 pink camo parallels on average. We have a Chronicles value pack, 15 cards in here. I was looking for 1 pink pulsar on average. Then we have a top series 1 value pack, 36 cards in here. 3 blasters, we have Capstone, 30 cards, 1 hit on average autograph or a mem card, 6 blue parallels on average per box. Topps Heritage high number, blaster box, 72 cards in here. Then we have Topps Series 1, Topps Update blaster, 99 cards, 1 commemorative batting helmet card on average. Last box is a Bowman mega box. We got 50 cards in here. 4 10-card packs and then 2 of the exclusive Mojo packs, 5 cards per pack on those. All right, let's go over our participants and then we'll start. All right, break 310. We have Thomas Diamondbacks, Nolan Braves, Braden Orioles, David Red Sox, Michael M Cubs, Mike White Sox, Jose Reds, Michael K with the Guardians, Thomas Rockies, Nolan Tigers, Thomas Astros, Braden Royals, Darren Angels, Mike Dodgers, Thomas Marlins, Joey Brewers, Mike Twins and Mets, Braden Yankees, Mike Athletics, Nolan Phillies, Braden Pirates, Joseph Padres, David Giants, Joey with the Mariners and Cardinals, Nolan Rays, Mike with the Rangers and Blue Jays, and Nolan Nationals. All right, let's go ahead and start with the packs here. Let's adjust the camera a little more here. Welcome in, Joey. All right, start with the Series 1. Good luck, everyone. All right, let's start the break off with Jared Kelenic, Slam Diego, Anthony Bender, rookie for the Marlins, Garrett Crochet, Ahmed Rosario, Max Scherzer, Matt Barnes, Alex Wells, rookie for the Orioles, Corey Kluber, Eli Morgan, Guardians, rookie, Austin Meadows, Framber Valdez, Raisel Iglesias, Taylor Rogers, Mason Thompson, rookie for the Nationals, Merrill Kelly, parallel Jose Berrios for the Blue Jays, greatest hits insert of Andrew McCutchen for the Phillies, MLB insert of Tatis and Trout, rookie Ronnie Dawson, that is for the Astros, J.D. Martinez, Gene Segura, Jake Myers, Astros rookie, Patrick Wisdom, Eric Hosmer, Bruce Zimmerman, Zach Eflin, Zach Pop, rookie Marlins, Drew Smiley, Sean Manaea, rookie for the D-backs, Tyler Gilbert, Cedric Mullins, Zach Wheeler, rookie Rodolfo Castro for the Pirates, and Trey Mancini. leave some of these up real quick. All right, next pack. Chronicles, 15 cards, 1 pink pulsar on average. All right, we have a Vertex rookie of AJ Alexi for the Rangers. Pinnacle, Josiah Gray for the Nationals. Thomas Sapucki, rookie for the Mets. Ronald Acuna, Luminance. Rookie Brian De La Cruz for the Marlins. Classics Acuna. Rookie Aaron Ashby for the Brewers. Got a little patch here of Josh Lowe for the Rays. A Zenith Domingo Acevedo rookie, that is for the A's. Clearly Donruss rookie, Glenn Otto for the Rangers. Elite Luis Frias, that is for the Diamondbacks. Pink Pulsar Titan, rookie Jake Myers for the Astros. A Phoenix rookie of Matt Brash for the Mariners. Spectra Akil Baddoo. It's going to be a silver there. Rookie Revolution Jeremy Pena for the Astros. Going to Thomas. Also for Thomas. Just leave a few of these up real quick. Oh, a little patch there. Going to Nolan. All right, last order packs here. Mosaic, 15 cards, 3 pink camo parallels on average. Carson Kelly, Joey Gallo, Max Fried, Joe Ross, Rookie of the Year, Randy Rosarena, Rookie Andre Jackson for the Dodgers, Silver Ho-Jun Park rookie for the Pirates, a Mosaic of Herman Marquez, Green Mosaic rookie Kyle Muller for the Braves, Camo Pink Byron Buxton, Twins, Garrett Cole for the Yankees, and nice Wander Franco Pink. Grand Salami, Miguel Cabrera insert. Rookie debut Luis Hill for the Yankees, and the rookie debut green of Tony Santillan going to the Reds there. It's going to go to Jose. Going to Nolan. Silver Park. It's going to Braden. All right, on to our blasters. Let's do Heritage first. 72 cards in here, 1973 design. Yeah, tough plastic. There's our packs. Empty box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. 9 cards per pack. Good luck. Isaac Paredes, Shogo Akiyama, Jock Peterson, Justice Sheffield. Got an insert here of Rangers, Seager and Simeon. Rookie Patrick Henry for the Marlins. Elvis Paguero for the Angels. Nick Castellanos and the Torkelson rookie for the Tigers. Torkelson. Next pack. Alejandro Kirk, Adbert Alzolay, Justin Brule, rookie Dodgers, Ronzi Contreras for the Pirates, Alek Manoah, Alexander Wells, rookie Orioles, Kyle Bradish, Orioles, Joe Perez for the Astros, and Cooper Hummel for the D-backs. Drew Steckenrider, Craig Kimbrell, Josh Winder, rookie Twins, Nate Lowe, Eric Hosmer, rookie Bryson Stott for the Phillies, Michael Chavis, Stephen Kwan, rookie for the Guardians, George Springer. Say Kwan there for Michael K. Gary Sanchez, Nick Plummer, rookie for the Mets, Daniel Vogelbach. Got a candy lid here of Tony Oliva for the Twins. NL Rookie of the Year insert of Jonathan India, Matt Chapman, Mark Canha, J.P. Sears, rookie for the Yankees, and Joe Dunnan for the Marlins. Candy lid for Mike. Kyle Isbell, Kurt Suzuki, Jorge Mateo, Cole Calhoun, Angel Serpa, rookie for the Royals, Tony Gonsolin, Clint Frazier, rookie Seiya Suzuki for the Cubs, and Chris Paddock. Going to Michael M. Rookie Juan Yepes for the Cardinals, Cooper Criswell for the Angels, Andrew McCutchen, Gabriel Arias for the Guardians, Reggie Jackson insert for the A's, Juan Soto, Sonny Gray, Bo Brisky, rookie Tigers, Carlos Correa. Say Yepes. Going to Joey. Alec Bohm, Josh Hader, Yusei Kikuchi, Brandon Marsh, rookie Phillies, Josh Donaldson, Chris Bryant, Eduardo Escobar, Brian Anderson, Marco Gonzalez. All right, last pack of Heritage High. Rookie MJ Melendez, Royals, Javi Baez, Max Scherzer, John Birdie, Brady Singer, Jake Arrieta, Kevin Plawecki, Chris Sale, Yohan Nadon, rookie. That's for the Nationals. Let's check the back for some short print high numbers or any image variations there. What's up, Drew? I got 2 short print high numbers, anything over 700. Short print there. It's going to be Josh Donaldson for the Yankees. Alec Manoah for the Blue Jays. All right, let's go. Next blaster. Do Capstone. 30 cards, 1 hit on average, autograph or a mem card. Looking for at least 6 blue parallels on average. One, two, three, four, five, 6. 5 cards per pack. Good luck. Alec Bowman. Rookie Ronzi Contreras for the Pirates. Got a blue Adelis Garcia. It's a luxury suite. A blue J.P. Crawford for the Mariners. A new age insert of Key Brian Hayes for the Pirates. Key Brian. Bryce Harper, J.P. Crawford, John Heasley, rookie for the Royals. A blue Ryan Zimmerman. And a John Duran, rookie Velo insert for the Twins. Ryan Zimmerman, Josh Bell. Here's our hit for the Reds. Going to be an autograph of TJ Friedel. Blue Josh Bell. And a big bang insert of Salvador Perez. It's going to go to Jose. Jorge Mateo. Lucius Fox, rookie for the Nationals. A gold parallel of Marcell Ozuna for the Braves. A blue Jorge Mateo. A deja vu insert of Luis Robert and Ricky Henderson. We will be randomizing that for the A's and the White Sox in the end there. Use random.org on that. Dice roll. Roll it one time. Next pack. I think they both belong to Mike, so yeah. Yeah, White Sox and A's are going to Mike, so that'll be Mike's card there. Sean Manaea, J.D. Martinez, Willie Adames, blue rookie Lucius Fox for the Nationals, and the new age Wander Franco. Last pack of Capstone. Rookie Connor Siebold for the Red Sox. Tim Anderson. Jaron Duran, rookie for the Red Sox. Sean Manaea, blue. Velo insert of Edwin Diaz for the Mets. Is that Duran rookie there? All right, last blaster. Topps update. 99 cards, 1 batting helmet card on average per box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14 cards per pack. Good luck. Rookie Royce Lewis for the Twins. Freddie Freeman, Nestor Cortez, Kyle Bradish. Let's see. Logan Webb. Maybe a Seiya. Combo was Kirk McCarthy and Tully for the Guardians. Manny Pena. Yoshi Setsugo. Ryan Pepio, rookie for the Dodgers. Jonathan VR. Darren Ruff. Gold parallel rookie debut of Edward Cabrera for the Marlins. Clayton Kershaw All-Star. Insert of Jonathan India. That's going to go to Thomas. That's going to be number to 2022. Javi Baez, Reese McGuire, Aledmys Diaz, Steve Cishek, Dustin May, Blake Trinan, Daniel Norris, Bradley Zimmer, rookie debut of Josh Lowe for the Rays, Lucas Sims, Corey Dickerson, debut of Jeremy Pena, Warren Spahn insert, die cut for the Braves. That's Emma Cutchin, MLB insert. Spawn die cut there. Pena rookie debut. Helmet card should be in here. Thairo Estrada. Combos of De Jesus and Rodriguez. Combos of Suarez and Wilson for the Padres. Opening day with the Bronx. Bombers, Yankees. Sam Hilliard. Rougned Odor, Elio Ramos, rookie Giants. Rowdy Tellez. Josh Winder, rookie for the Twins. Chad Kuhl, Colby Allard. That is Pujols, Kyle Isbell, and the helmet's going to be Bobby Witt. Nice hit there. White mark there. I think I could take that off. Bryson Stott rookie. It's gonna go to Braden. BB, Braden's cards. Nice width there. Gary Sanchez, Ethan Roberts, rookie for the Cubs. Derek Hill, debut of Melendez with Bobby Witt by his side. One last dance, that is the Cardinals. Corey Kluber, Cole Sulser, Hunter Strickland, Cesar Hernandez, Lucius Fox, rookie for the Nationals. Here's a parallel of Josh Rojas for the D-backs. 35th anniversary. Mariano Rivera for the Yankees. Kyle Schwarber, All-Star. C.J. Abrams, insert rookie there for the Padres. Eric Fedde, Danny Mendick, Donovan Walton, debut of Elio Ramos, Rich Hill, rookie combos of Hele and Marte for the Giants, Boston Flex, Andrew Stevenson, Joe Smith, Chris Bassett, rookie Bro Brisky, Tigers, Brad Boxberger, Jose Azocar, rookie for the Padres, O'Neal Cruz, rookie insert there. Going to Braden. Jock Peterson, debut of Edward Cabrera, Matt Strom, Taylor Rogers, Joey Wentz, Tigers. Combos of Diaz and Duarte for the Reds, Coleman Snyder for the Royals. Andrelton Simmons, J.P. Sears, rookie Yankees, Jake Fraley. Sergio Romo, here's going to be a chrome. Yu Darvish, followed by a black gold, nice Subsea. And the Jarren Duran. Nice 3 cards in the end there. Going to Michael M. All right, last pack of our update. Jordan Luplow, Brad Hand, Adrian Martinez, rookie for the A's, Marcus Stroman, Desert Cool-Off with the D-backs, Ron Marinaccio, rookie for the Yankees, Tim LaCastro, Josh Harrison, debut of Nick Lodolo, Michael Givens, Jake McGee, rookie debut of Julio Rodriguez, All-Star Yordan Alvarez, Bobby Witt. Going to Braden. Joey. All right, last box. Give me 1 second here. All right, Bowman. 4 10-card packs and 2 exclusive 5-card chrome packs. Mojo packs there. Home of our prospects. Empty box. 1, 2, those are Mojo packs. 1, 2, 3, 4 regular. Regular has 10 cards per pack. Good luck, everyone. We have Aaron Judge, rookie Aaron Ashby, Brewers, Luke Williams, Phillies, Ryan Valade for the Rockies, Luis Hill, Yankees, prospect of Marcelo Buena, first paper, Franel Dewey, Eddie's Leonard, chrome first of Will Wagner for the Astros, and the chrome first of Darren Baker for the Nationals there. Dusty Baker's son. Rookie Edward Cabrera, Jose Abreu, Mookie Betts, Hassan Kim, Vlad Guerrero Jr., paper first Ellie De La Cruz, prospect of Elio Ramos, first paper Marcelo Gonzalez for the White Sox, chrome first Michael Escato for the Pirates, Alan Cerda for the Reds. Joe Adell, Yadi Molina, Jacob deGrom, Corey Seager, rookie Lars Nootbaar for the Cardinals, Luis Matos, Kelvin Alcantara First paper, Rodolfo Nolasco, Pirates. First chrome, Cedane Rafaela for the Red Sox. First chrome of Victor Labrada for the Mariners. All right, last of our regular packs. Rookie, Brian De La Cruz, Marlins, Vidal Brujan for the Rays, Wander Franco, Jonathan India, Bryce Harper. First paper, Jackson Chourio. Prospect, Leover Peguero. First paper, Matt Frazier. First chrome, Diego Rincones for the Giants. Chrome prospect of Kelvin De Castro. It's a Chourio paper there for Joey. All right, last two packs. Mojo packs, good luck. First, Roberto Campos, Tigers. Max Muncy for the A's. High Five Futures, that is Luis Rodriguez for the Dodgers. First for the Orioles, Luis Gonzalez. And a prospect of Maximo Acosta for the Rangers. Let me just leave these up real quick, please. It's Max Muncy there. Go on the mic. All right, last pack, guys. Do a recap after this. We had that one card to randomize, but both teams belong to Mike, so we won't randomize it. We'll do a recap, and then most of your rookies will get sleeved up, bigger hits, top loaded, and hopefully out by tomorrow for you guys. Thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. No color today. Prospect of Marco Luciano, Giants. There's a first. Eddie's Leonard for the Dodgers. Luis Hill, Rookie of the Year favorites. Prospect, Blaze Jordan. Last card's going to be a first for the Dodgers. Jorbit Vivas. All right, let's make some space here. We'll do a recap for you guys. Fumbling these here. Let's go over some inserts and parallels. Let's do that batting helmet there. Bobby Witt. Got that Deja Vu of Henderson and Lubob. Yu Darvish Chrome. Rivera. 35th Warren Spahn. Edwin Diaz. Arsuna Gold. Perez. Blue. Dallas Garcia. New Age. Key Brian Hayes. Short print high numbers of Manoa and Donaldson. Cabrera, Trout, and Tatis. All right, Mojo's prospect Luciano. Got a Luis Hill rookie, Jordan, Rodriguez insert, Maximo Acosta. Wander, first paper Chourio and De La Cruz. Royce Lewis, Duran, Abrams, Davio Pena, Torkelson, Duran, Fox. And No, you have both the you have the White Sox and the is it the White Sox? Yeah, it's a Lou Bob and Henderson. So you have both. You have both teams there, so you don't have to randomize it. Yes, I'm looking at it wrong. Athletics, yeah, you got both teams, Mike. Heasley, Duran, Marsh, Yepes, Suzuki, Kwan, Pink Pulsar, Jake Myers, Green Mosaics of Muller and Santillan, Acevedo. The White Sox, you have the White Sox, bud. Not the Red Sox. David says Red Sox, but you have the White Sox. All right, we have first Mojos, Reese Leonard, Vivas, Campos, Muncy, Gonzalez, Chrome, Rincones, Rafaela, Labrada, Escado, Cerda, Wagner, and Baker. Julio Rodriguez. Okay, I'll randomize it just in case I messed up, and I'll randomize it for those two teams. Bobby Witt, Seiya Suzuki, O'Neill Cruz, Wander Franco, Hoy Jun Park, Gary Pena, Revolution, Candy Lid, New Age, Wander Franco, Gold, debut of Cabrera, patch of Josh Lowe, and a TJ Friedel autograph. In case I messed up and put the wrong name on the White Sox, I will randomize it. But list says that it's still going both to Mike, so not sure. Give me 1 second. All right, random.org, dice roll one virtual die. If we roll odd number, going to Oakland, Ricky Henderson. Even number, Luis Robert, White Sox. All right, even number. Too late, man. Just in case. All right, still going to you. Just in case I messed up with the list there, but list in front of me says Mike, White Sox and A's. All right, guys, that concludes our break. No worries, Mike. It concludes our break for tonight. Thank you again for joining. Appreciate it. Till next time, have a good night.